Gardening. That means something to me. I'm fascinated by how vegetables can grow from scraps, or even from something that's already rotting. Turning into small, living things with just a bit of support. Day by day, they develop until they outgrow their space and need more room to continue growing. It feels like something built into them to drive to grow. And when they are given more space, they truly start to thrive even when facing harsher conditions. I like to connect this to human life. It reminds me that we can always grow into something more, like a seed becoming a plant. And even when things go wrong, there is always something worth saving, like a seed from a rotting plant that we can use to start again. And when you spend time gardening, there is a certain feeling that comes with it, a kind of quiet dignity. Because in everyday life, it's easy to lose that. Not all at once, but slowly. In routines, in small frustrations, in things that fell out of your control. It wears you down without you even noticing. But gardening feels different. There, your actions matter. You give something care and you can actually see it respond. Watering, waiting, paying attention. It's simple, but it brings something back. And over time, that quiet dignity returns. Not perfectly, but enough to feel whole again.